Forge is here at ASGCT 2024 in Baltimore, Maryland. Forge is proud to present 5 different posters that showcase our dedication to innovation and forward thinking in the gene therapy space. ASGCT is the highlight of the year for so many scientists who look forward for the opportunity to collaborate with others in their field. There has been such an explosion of activity in the cell and gene therapy space, and it is amazing to be here with like-minded individuals who want to move the field forward. This is my first poster at a scientific conference, and I am so happy and proud that it is at ASGCT. We look forward to seeing you at our poster and our booth. We'll see you soon.